Alright, so continuing on with section E, we're breaking things up into as many logarithms as we can, and any exponents we find we bring out front. So these are all being multiplied, so this breaks up into addition. This first part is division, so it breaks up into subtraction. But this multiplication breaks up into addition. That's as far as you can go with that one. This fifth root becomes 1/5 power. And you can bring the 1/5 out front. That's all you can do there. This becomes subtraction. Okay, and each one of these is multiplication, which break up into addition. Let's put them in parentheses so I can show you how you need to be careful here. Okay, so when you drop your parentheses, nothing changes with these two, but these two, you hit each one with that negative sign. So each one is going to change sign. You can also bring these 4, 2, and 4 exponents out front. So you end up with 3 log base a of x plus log base a of w minus 2 log base a of y minus 4 log base a of z. Okay, and now this one breaks up into subtraction, and you might as well write the third root and second root as 1/3 power and 1/2 power. So you got log of z to the 1/3 minus log x y to the 1/2. Okay, and you can bring the 1/3 out front. Okay, and now this part, when you break it up, it becomes addition. But there was a subtraction in the front, so you distribute that negative sign. So you end up with 1/3 log z minus log x minus 1/2 log y, because you can bring the 1/2 out front. That's as far as you can go with that one. This one, the fourth root, that becomes 4th power for everything. So if you raise each one of these to the 1/4 power, you get 7/4, you get 5/4, and you get 1/4. Now you break this up into subtraction. Okay, and this part breaks up into addition, but you've got a negative sign which hits each one, just like what we did up there. So you can just write it like this: minus ln of y to the 5/4 minus ln of z to the 1/4. And now all you have to do is bring each of these exponents out front. 7/4 ln of x minus 5/4 ln of y minus 1/4 ln of z. Alright, let's look at the last 3 problems that are left. Okay, this division becomes subtraction. Log base a of y to the 5th w squared minus log base a of x to the 4th z to the 3rd. First one and second one here break up into addition, and if you want to put them in parentheses so you can be careful how they break up, you can do that. Now each one of those exponents come out front, but when you drop your parentheses, nothing changes with the first one, but the second one you hit with a negative. So you end up with 5 log base a of y plus 2 log base a of w minus 4 log base a of x minus 3 log base a of z. The negative distributes to each one of those. Now here this breaks up into subtraction, and let's change all the roots to fractions. So you got log y to the 1/2 subtract log x to the 4th z to the 1/3. And that breaks up into addition, but you've got a negative that's going to hit each one, so it's really shows up as subtraction. And now with each one you can bring the exponent out front. Alright, now this one, you get x times this cube root of this fraction, so there's a lot going on here. So you really have ln of x times y to the 4 and 1/3, which is really 4/3, over z to the 5 times 1/3, which is 5/3. Okay, and if you want to, well, I might as well. Let's break this up. Multiplication breaks up into addition. And now that division breaks up into subtraction. And now you can bring the exponents out front, and that's about as much as you can do with this.